Imagine arriving somewhere so quietly that people don't hear you coming. They simply stop and stare. That's exactly the feeling the 2027 Rolls-Royce Spectre delivers. Finished in an elegant Arctic white exterior with an aggressively customized front bumper, this luxury electric coupe proves that true prestige doesn't need to shout. It simply commands attention. From the very first glance, the 2027 Rolls-Royce Spectre remains unmistakably a Rolls-Royce. The signature illuminated Pantheon grille stands proudly at the front, crowned by the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy. The long hood, sleek fastback roofline, and perfectly balanced proportions create an elegant silhouette that instantly separates it from every other luxury car on the road. This particular Spectre takes things even further with a bold custom front bumper. Large honeycomb air intakes, carbon fiber accents, and an ultra-low front splitter give the car a more aggressive personality without sacrificing its timeless elegance. The lowered stance, oversized gloss black multi-spoke wheels, and striking red brake calipers create a perfect contrast against the clean white paint, making this grand tourer look both sophisticated and performance-focused. Step inside, and you're welcomed into one of the most luxurious cabins ever created. Every surface is wrapped in handcrafted leather, polished metal, and premium materials that reflect Rolls-Royce's legendary attention to detail. The famous Starlight headliner transforms the roof into a beautiful night sky filled with thousands of tiny illuminated stars, creating an atmosphere unlike any other luxury vehicle. The seats are incredibly comfortable, offering exceptional support for both city driving and long-distance journeys. Ambient lighting flows throughout the cabin, while the advanced digital display integrates seamlessly with classic Rolls-Royce design. Modern technology is present everywhere, but it never overwhelms the timeless luxury that defines the brand. As an all-electric grand tourer, the 2027 Spectre delivers effortless performance. Instant electric torque provides smooth and powerful acceleration without any engine noise or vibration. Press the accelerator and the car glides forward with remarkable confidence, making every drive feel calm, refined, and incredibly relaxing. The advanced electric powertrain offers impressive power while maintaining the famous magic carpet ride that Rolls-Royce is known for. Sophisticated adaptive air suspension continuously scans the road ahead, adjusting itself in real time to absorb imperfections. Whether you're driving through city streets or cruising on the highway, the ride remains unbelievably smooth and composed. Handling is equally impressive for a vehicle of this size. Four-wheel steering improves maneuverability in tight spaces, while adding stability at higher speeds. The low center of gravity created by the battery placement gives the Spectre excellent balance through corners, making it feel much more agile than expected. Technology is another highlight of the 2027 model. A fully digital infotainment system provides seamless connectivity with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, premium navigation, voice controls, and a world-class bespoke audio system that delivers crystal-clear sound throughout the cabin. Safety has also been elevated with the latest driver assistance features: adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, automatic emergency braking, night vision assistance, and advanced parking technology all work together to make driving easier while maintaining Rolls-Royce's effortless luxury experience. Although official specifications may vary depending on market and configuration, the Spectre is expected to offer excellent driving range, rapid DC fast charging capability, and improved battery efficiency compared to previous generations. This means owners can enjoy long-distance luxury touring with greater confidence and fewer charging stops. What truly makes the 2027 Rolls-Royce Spectre special isn't just its performance or technology, it's the feeling it creates. Every journey feels exclusive. Every detail reminds you that this isn't simply transportation. It's a handcrafted masterpiece designed for those who appreciate absolute refinement. If you're searching for one of the world's most luxurious electric grand touring coupes, combining silent performance, breathtaking craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and unmistakable presence, the 2027 Rolls-Royce Spectre in Arctic White stands among the finest automobiles ever built. So, what do you think about this stunning luxury EV? Would you choose the elegant white finish with this aggressive custom styling, or would you prefer a more classic Rolls-Royce look? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Auto Analyst Pro, and turn on notifications for more premium automotive reviews featuring the latest luxury cars from around the world. Until next time, thanks for watching.